Get started with Verify by typing in a disease site and then clicking a result. On the right side, you can read in-depth treatment protocols. On the left side, there is a summary in flowchart form. Select the correct red treatment box to continue. Answer the questions about your patient so Verify can build you a contouring atlas based on guidelines and your patient's disease. Use the mouse wheel to scroll through atlases. Click the button at the top right of any view to maximize it. Click the button again to return to the 4 views. Click on a contour to read about its boundaries and contents. Use the interface on the left to customize the protocol. To review the text protocol at any time, click the Treatment Pathway button. To return to the atlas, click the Contouring Atlas button.